Looks like a mean execution.
What's
Oh
the
my God. Hello.
Where you at?
What's up? I'm here to buy the BravoXL.
Oh, I got 2 of those.
BravoXL?
Yeah, the BravoXL.
You want me to take this?
Fine, go ahead.
Alright, alright.
I'm a good driver. Don't even question it. This place.
Bravo
This is the
XL.
place you are?
Yeah, it kind of looks like this. It kind of looks like a toaster.
Yeah, unlimited.
If you can you help me with what make it is?
I'm gonna show you where to start.
I think the
still
make
learning.
is Bravo. Yeah,
Is it?
telling you, it kind of looks like the G-Wagon. It kind of looks like a, almost looks like a micro or something.
Gotcha.
Here, Mickey, what make is that? Come here. What make is that Bravo you were telling me
I
about?
kind of need to get my,
it's a new wave.
my...
Well, I don't know if you're gonna be bang,
11, you know,
robbing
I
banks
told her it
and
kind of
shit.
looks like a toaster, so like it
Oh,
kind of looks
man,
like this.
Yeah.
really? What the heck?
pretty much is a toaster. There's a lot.
They don't go
Toaster,
down, right?
convection.
Nah.
Why
the
am I
air
not
fry.
seeing it?
You don't have new wave on
I
there?
think I should get it up. Your way.
Molly, you
No.
seriously don't have that on?
Is it
Come
the
on,
XL?
Molly.
It should be like 189K or something. Something like that.
Yeah, and get the smart
Does it
version,
go by
the smart one.
Does it go by
There's a
price
smart-
or what?
Yeah, there's a 169, 189.
I'm
But
being
189 is
serious.
the smart.
It's not showing. Can you
The
pull it
fuck?
up?
Did they remove them, Mickey?
I don't know. I know they're hard to get. And once you get one, it changes your life. I know that.
Changes my. You have one?
Yeah, bro. Of course. The fuck?
The fuck?
Any question? Molly, can you please help him? I gotta go. I'll be back.
Oh my God, this man.
I've been chirping in my tree about this for like a week now. You gotta buy the Bravo. You gotta buy the Bravo. So now that I finally made a little bit of money, I'm here to.
It's the XL. Don't get the regular Bravo. The XL version. Bro.
What's that? It's like 2 versus 4 or what?
It's bigger than the other one. There's a small one and the big one. The XL is the Bravo XL.
Okay.
The smart one though. Bravo XL smart.
Okay.
I'm really sorry. I don't know why I'm not seeing it.
You're fine. Take your time. I got all day.
And this
You can take your
man's
time. What time do you got? This is crazy.
Mickey.
What's up? What's up, Molly? What's up, Molly? What's up, Molly? Matter of fact, I don't think we're gonna sell one to you. Now that I think about it.
What the fuck, bro? You've been telling me for a week I need to buy this Bravo.
Yeah, and you've been
This
sleeping
is
on it.
all he talks about when
and
we're
now you get
riding
an
around on the
opportunity.
bike.
And now you get an
Oh,
opportunity.
you won't stop talking about the Bravo XL.
And now
And
you
now
get an
the-
opportunity. And now you waited too long. Chances
Wait,
over.
are you guys
Sorry.
playing with me?
Can I
'Cause it's really
can I
not
at least
here.
just see it? Can I at least just
Are
that
you playing
toaster
with me?
looking
'Cause it's
thing?
really not here.
It's a toaster.
looking?
Yo,
Yeah,
something
yeah.
pulled up and offered.
You never seen a Bravo? You gotta do it on. Look on Google. It's Bravo XL.
Stay safe.
New wave.
I'm gonna get this free
You'll see.
bread
You'll
up.
know what a card is once you look at it. You'll see. Like,
Let me test drive while she working on that.
I'm
first.
not. That's driving you nuts, bro.
Joke in the
About your own.
we had the gayest joke in the world.
Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? I'm about to fucking Mickey.
You gotta run. Oh, I
Not the
just did the two.
customer. Not the customer.
I just to be fair.
I can't. I'm done.
Nah, I ain't about that life. Be your creep. I'm gonna be a
That
creep.
toaster looking thing.
That's what he said.
Hey, come here, Mickey. Come here.
Dude, you
Yeah,
know that's in
like,
my fucking
practically
wish
I wanna
list
be a
too from the other
gangster,
day
not
when you
gonna be
told
the
me,
goody
dumbass. That's
Yeah, what do
so
you mean,
fucked
no?
up.
It doesn't let me press. Oh, there we go. We dapped it. We dapped it. We did it with
Secret.
You
No.
knew it was on. I told her to get a Bravo too, and she knew what it was. 'Cause I
No.
told her all about it.
No. I don't want to talk about it.
And now she's looking up the BravoXL on the
Shut
car.
up.
You be the next.
A new wave, new wave. Come on,
He said,
it's
he said,
more.
take your time, take your time. Oh my god.
Sounds gay.
I'm like, I don't recognize the name of this car.
Look up new wave oven. I think is what the
Okay,
brand
you
is.
got me, you got me.
You're welcome for that, Mickey. Brought a little
Yeah,
light into your
you're
life.
welcome. You're welcome. I told you all.